guys, I'm Michael here with the Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Just one little thing before we get started. None of my walkthroughs are going to have the cutscenes of the game actually in it. But other than that, hope you enjoy my videos. Here's the game. Hello guys, we are on planet Barlow. And there's a new weapon, the Seeker Gun. That is also a really good weapon, so I'm going to buy that now. It is an excellent weapon for a pretty cheap price. Alright guys, do you see that sign right there? That says Gadgetron. Gadgetron was the weapons manufacturer in this galaxy before Megacorp came along. Alright, so there are a few ways to go. You can go up that ramp. You can go in here, and those are the two ways you can go. I'm gonna fill up on ammo. Alright, those little things are Gadgetron Hounds of Cuddly Death. That is what they are called. So I'm going to show you what the Seeker Glove does. The Seeker Gun. Alright, so see, it releases one ammo, which then turns into a drone and tracks your enemies. See how good it is? You don't even need to turn. It does that for you. It is a very good weapon. Alright, so then we just keep going this way. Those guys actually are not worth the Seeker Glove.
This weapon has a lock-on mod. Hold both L2 and R2 to lock on to enemies.
Alright, so in one of the last videos, I bought the lock-on mod for the chopper. In order to use lock-on mods, hold down L2 and R2. That'll keep you locked onto enemies no matter how you walk around. It'll keep you aimed at the enemies. I only have 2 nanotech left. Let's use the Seeker Gun. There we go. That's not good. I'm almost out of ammo. Alright, so if you guys saw all of my Indako walkthroughs, I got the shock mod for the Heavy Lancer. Nanotech, the lifeblood of this game. Haha. Wordplay. Sweet, I now have 9 nanotech. I am going to use the gravity bomb. And take out some of them. Where did they go? I don't know, but it's nothing the Heavy Lancer can't handle. The Heavy Lancer is awesome. Oh. This is a lot of guys. I am trapped with a bunch of Vancouver tribesmen. Well, that was easy. See how useful the Lancer is? Especially when you upgrade it to the Heavy Lancer. And when you buy the shock mod. Hey, this looks different. Alright, so this says if you have a memory card containing Ratchet and Clank Game 1 save data, please insert the memory card into slot 1 or slot 2 at any point while visiting the Gadgetron vendor. Any of the weapons you had earned in your Ratchet and Clank 1 save that are offered at this vendor will be free. So, I do have one of those, so I'm going to use it. Alright, so see, all of these weapons are for free, except for the Rhino 2. Since I did not buy the Rhino 1 in the first game, I do not have the Rhino 2. But I am going to buy all of these other weapons. Bomb glove, Vizzy bomb gun. There we go. They will do very little damage in this game, but the Vizzy bomb gun is still very helpful.
Try customizing your quick select.
Alright, so the weapons from the first game are already fully upgraded, so you cannot upgrade them anymore. But I am going to show you what the Vizzy bomb gun can do. Alright, so let's go to quick select. I will change the bomb glove for the Vizzy bomb gun. Alright, there you go. Vizzy bomb gun. Fire! You are able to steer the missile around. I thought that was a bad guy. Well, that's a lot of guys. Okay, I'm going to now show you what the Tesla Claw does. Where is it? Oh, there it is. See, that was easy. And that'll take us right back to our ship. But we cannot go that way just yet, because we have to enter the the Hoverbike race. Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed my Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next ones if you have trouble on those levels. Comment if you liked it. Subscribe. Thanks.